Welcome to class, and let us look at this interesting question. And it reads that the sum of two numbers is 14 and the ratio of the two numbers is -3. What is the product of the two numbers? Very easy. Now here's how to go about it. Now we are told here that the sum of two numbers is 14. So let us assume that the first and the second number, which is unknown, is x and y. So the sum of the two, x plus y, equals 14. And for the second statement, and the ratio of the two numbers is -3. Take note, ratio is just similar to division. So if we say x ratio y is the same as saying x all over y, okay, which is equals to -3. And the last statement says, what is the product of the two numbers? Okay, so the product of two numbers here will now be x, y equals unknown. Okay, let's make this equation 1 and let's make this equation 2. So what we just need to do here first is let's make x the sort of relation here, and that will give us that x equals -3y. Okay, so let's make this equation 3. So what you just need to do is plug in equation 3 into equation 1 to find the value of y. So since x here, we'll just replace it for -3y. So -3y, okay, plus y equals 14. Okay, and if we resolve this, our left hand will become -2y, which equals to what? 14. And if we divide both sides by -2, then you have the y equals -7. Okay, if y is -7, let us plug in y equals -7 to equation 2. So however, you can actually plug it in into equation 1 also, but I prefer equation 2. So here x equals -3y. So plugging in -7 for y, we have x equals -3 times -7, which gives us what? 21. So therefore, the product of the two numbers, which is x, y, will then be 21, okay, then times y, -7, which gives us -147 as the final answer. Okay, D is the final answer. Thank you, and please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Bye bye.